Assalamualaikum. I'm here on stage of Ali English House Academy, managed by Jamia Sayyidina Anas Malik. I'm having the interview of a student. Let me speak to this boy. Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam.
What's your name?
Sayyid Sufyan.
Sorry?
Sayyid Sufyan.
Sufyan. Where is your house?
Nagawali.
Nagawali. Okay. What's your father's name?
Sayyid Shakir.
Okay. So, where you are studying?
Jamia Sayyidina Anas Malik Open School.
Okay. What you are studying? Qaida Nazira.
Nazira.
Nazira. How many chapters did you come? Sorry?
Tupara.
Tukara. What's your favorite food?
Apple.
Favorite food? You said fruit. Food.
Biryani.
Biryani. Okay. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Sorry?
None.
Blue. Okay. Who is your best friend?
Idol.
Okay. So who is the Hazrat teaching you? Who is your Hazrat?
Idol.
Okay. Do you like your madrasa?
Yes.
What do you like?
Madrasa.
Sorry?
Madrasa.
You like madrasa?
Yes.
Okay. What do you want to become in future, inshallah?
Hafiz Ali.
Hafiz Ali and Mufti, inshallah. And along with that, lawyer, doctor, engineer, something.
Doctor. Doctor.
Doctor also, inshallah. So all the best for your future and thank you.
Sir,